my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today's video, we are testing out a product that when I saw it on Tan Beauty, I was like, I need these. I need them in my life. And they are the I Heart Revolution, I Heart Surprise eggs. These just look amazing. I got two. I got Dragon and Mermaid. Dragon is in stock. This one is not. There are 3 other ones as well. They are £5 each. They are cruelty free and vegan. And we're just going to do it. I'm going to do one eye with one and one eye with the other. So I'm going to look cray cray at the end of it. But I don't care. So they come in these little boxes. And they're just like this as an egg. You can see in there like the reflection of my camera. And then they open at the top. And you've got 2 highlighters and 5 eyeshadows. Let's get rid of that a little bit. So this is the Dragon one. I will quickly swatch these on my hands. We'll do the highlights first. So this one here, it feels quite powdery, and then the other one feels really nice and smooth. They're just a really pretty kind of goldeny highlighters. I really like those. I'd probably use the top one, the more gold one, rather than this one's a little bit warmer gold. And then the eyeshadows, we've got 5 eyeshadows, so I'm going to try and get my fingers in here without shoving my nails in everything. Well, they feel really nice. Oh, let's put my thumb in there. I'm going to show you on my hand. So we've got the red. These are both matte, and then these are the metallic. So you've got a gold, ooh, like a copper. That swatch just carried on, and then like a cranberry. Oh my goodness, look at those. I'm super excited to try these. I'm gonna wipe this off, and we're gonna swatch the other one. So the one I got is Dragon, which is this beautiful kind of tealy green, and then inside you've got 2 highlighters and 5 eyeshadows again. It doesn't look like there's a matte in here, so I may have to add just to be able to, we'll try. But I'm going to swatch these 2 highlighters first. Again, this one is quite powdery and this one feels quite smooth. This one is kind of like a duochrome. It looks like it's got sort of green and sort of, I don't really know, champagne, and then this one's just more sort of green, mint green. So we'll swatch those. Oh, I really like the mint green one. I really like to wear that like all over my lid. I wouldn't wear these as highlighters unless I was filming, I don't know, like a mermaid video or something, but I wouldn't use those as highlighters. But for lid colours, that green is just beautiful. And again, I'm going to swatch all the colours. Oh no, that one is matte. It just looked like it had a sheen on the top. So there's one matte. This is not easy with my ridiculous nails at the moment. So these are the colours, and we're going to swatch them on my hand again. So we've got the matte, which is really pretty, and then you've got this one looks really similar to the sort of coppery one in the other pan. We've got a blue, a green, and then we've got another, oh, sort of a duochrome blue. They're really pretty. I just do want to swatch that. I'm going to wipe these off, and I just want to swatch the 2 gold colours and see if they are the same in each pan, because they look very, very similar. So I'll just swatch all 3 of the. So this is the one from the Mermaid palette, and then we've got this one and this one from the Dragon palette. So oh no, they are different. They are, there's very slight differences. So yeah, this is the one from the Mermaid and these 2 are from the Dragon, but they look amazing and they're just really lovely metallic. So I'm just gonna get it on my face. I'm gonna start off with this one because this is where I'm more comfortable. I've got a big fluffy brush, and my eyes are prepped with concealer and translucent powder, and I'm just first going into this colour. This is not what I would usually use as a transition because it's quite dark, but it's just what we're going to do because that is our only option. Okay, I'm now going to go into the cranberry red. This is the other matte colour. Just press this on the outer corner and then drag it into the crease a bit lower. Whoa, that got grey quickly. Just got a completely clean brush. I'm just gonna go along the edges. I've somehow managed to shove something. What have I put in there? I don't even know. I'm gonna go into the cranberry first, just on a flat brush. I'm gonna put this on the outer corner. This is the shimmer metallic. I'm just going to pop this right on the outer corner, which again is not something I normally do, but I want to try and use as many of the colours as we can. That is really pretty. That is dry. That's no Fix Plus. That's just gone on dry. Oh, I really like that. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter gold. Again, dry. I've clicked this. I've got a colour switch down here, so I'm just going to press this on the inner portion. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm just going to flip my brush over and get the copper and put it in the middle. And then we've used all three metallics. Oh my god, that one's my favourite metallic. Do you want to focus camera? Oh, I love that. I love the copper so much. I absolutely love this little doodad. Where's a tiny brush? You're a tiny brush. I'm going to use this gold. Put that on my inner corner. Oh, that's pretty. And then I will just use the two matte colours that I did in my crease and put them underneath, and then we'll come back. Okay, I've just smoked out the underline, my lower lash line. I put one coat of mascara on. I'm now just going to go into this gold, the highlighting brush, and just highlight my face. Oh, I actually like that. It's a really nice warm gold. Oh, I really like that. I've never used a gold highlight before, and I really think that's pretty. So yeah, that is one side done. How weird do I look? This went on a lot easier than I anticipated it doing. I'm quite scared for the other side now because I've got no idea what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna clean all my brushes and then we'll come back and try the mermaid side. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. So my only option to go in for the crease in my transition is this matte green just here. I never ever wear greens, so I am scared. Oh, it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, so it's not as scary. Right, the green is on. It is definitely not as pigmented as the mattes in the other palette. I don't know what, there are 5 altogether. I don't know what the other ones are like. They were all out of stock when I went to buy. Otherwise I would have got all of them to try, but then I'd have just had various areas of my face painted rather than just 2 eyes. It's gone on nicely. There's no fallout. It's alright. I wouldn't go, oh, I really love this colour. It's nice, but yeah. Okay, so now I don't ever put these kind of colours in my crease, but I'm gonna. I think I'm probably gonna regret this. I'm gonna tap into the 2 different blues. And just see if I can get a little bit more colour in the crease. I don't hate it, but I don't think I'd wear it all the time. And I have got a bit messy down here, but whatever, doesn't matter. Now I'm going to go into this, what one do we want to do? I kind of want it to be different. I'm going to go into this green. That's really pretty. I love that colour. And it's gone on really nice. It's like really nice and intense, and that again, that is dry. That's not with any setting spray or anything. And I think what I want to do is go into this metallic. This was the highlighter. I think this was the one. Yeah, this was like the really, really icy mint green highlighter, and I want to just, yeah. Wow. I really like that. Okay. I've just got a little clean brush, and I just want to, and then where's my, got a big brush again just to tap back into that green and just to go over this edge a little bit. That's better. And then I've got a teeny tiny brush, and I'm going to use the other shade on the inner corner. Actually, I might use a gold on my inner corner, because then I've used every colour in the pattern. This is going to look crazy. I'm going to drag this along. Finally, I'm going to go into this green highlight. Again, this is just for this video. I wouldn't use this, but very pretty. And it's not actually showing up that green. It just looks really like icy and blinding. It's really pretty, but it's not coming off green. I think if you packed it on like how I was going to do it on the eyes, then it would be more green. Well, I look crazy. So we've got, or we've got, which one do you prefer? Do, 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 do. I'm so weird. Okay. I'm so impressed with these. So impressed. My only issue is that this one is just broken everywhere. Like it's all just, there is a crack in it. There was a crack in it when it arrived, but I didn't really think much of it. But it's just completely crumbled right in the center. So that is my only issue. Other than that, I think they're amazing. This one is going to get used all the time, but I don't hate this at all. I love those the greens. I absolutely love them. I don't know if I can pull them off, but I really, really like them. So yeah, have you got any of these? Have you tried the other ones? It's definitely made me decide now, when the other ones come back in stock, I will 100% be buying them, because they're a £5 and they're amazing. So you're essentially getting 2 highlighters and 5 eyeshadows in each one. But the highlighters can be used as eyeshadows, and yeah, so they're awesome, and they're just so cute. Like, I'm going to put them up there. They're going to just live up there just because they look so cute. So if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.